Now, children, we have come to the most difficult part of the entire physics, that is, how to solve the problems in physics. These are the 5 cardinal principles while attending the problem. Read the question carefully and pick the keywords and choose the formula, and agreement of the units is mandatory and careful calculation is required. As you can see, during the experiment, signal from spaceship reached the ground station. Now all this is a story, and don't take the story, just simply see the keyword. This is the first keyword. He has given the time, and it is not in SI units, not in SI. SI unit should be seconds. So we have to first write the given concept. Time has been given in minutes, and we need it in SI unit only. There should be an agreement of the units, and therefore SI unit will be 5 into 60 comes to 300 seconds. Now we have come to the second keyword of the question, which is what is the distance of the space. Now again, this is the story. It can be a car, a bike, a vehicle, a bullock cart, or a person. Just leave the story behind, just pick the keywords. Now the next keyword is distance. We are supposed to find the distance, and the signal travels at the speed of light, and this is the next hint. The third keyword is speed has been given. So, and it is 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. This is directly in SI units, and we have did the conversion to get an agreement between these two units. And now these are the many formulae, all the formulae pertaining to the chapter of motion. Now we have to pick the right formula, and as you can see, we are supposed to find the distance, and therefore the very first formula is speed is equal to d by t. And as you know, in physics, whatever the question, there will be only one unknown which you have to find out, and the rest is the given. Only thing you need to do is pick the right formula and place the require given concepts in, and plug in the answers into the given formula, and just arrive at the unknown part. This is the unknown. Therefore now we will take it to the LHS, the unknown part, and send this side. The speed into time will give you the requisite answer. Children, anything, always the very most important point is, while attempting the question, the most important thing while doing the problem is always carry the units, always carry the unit into the formula. As you can see here, what did I do? I picked the units into the formula, and I will get the answer in agreement with the required quantity. And finally you can see I have just done this in this form. 3 3s comes to 9, and 10 power 8 plus 10 power 2 comes to 10 power 8. And look at the unit. It is in instant agreement with the distance unit, and distance unit is nothing but meters. You have to take care of all these issues while doing the problem.